Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ka breaking news kon lar kejan gwas me ke bana lerm bech bana jeling kamandan lero dari wik ka South Sudan ke jen to tiang me chana ngat me che to tiang ka changa wal ka pairo ron kin dangro jen dangro die she kon ngat no shikir ma yadit charoi la no sha kwart ngwan long sha ka woch rei kuma ka South Sudan kwart te ka lwanki te ka bom ne tincha wo tani ga jiya spele mayo tani ga jiya spele mayo jira neka ena mo mi che kon ngai tiang en wale mungi kon mo ko tiang che te ka rik tu ngwan ti to no en che te ka jiya spele mayo ti che ka dorba shet ka kwar governor dung yambio ka western equatoria wudin shalga tuyo jaram dan la kwar ki commissioner ano gwade shaje wike je tiang chete kor mi choto wate gane ite ka mech la deni South Sudan People Defense Force te chijo mag dore te gore no de ken nak wa dore shaje wang ke shaje dwan mach ena mo shinere konti la GSPL mayo chikana gore no be kana condemn ke be kan mandana chala kir be kan lar no men chila da mi jagalo chiraje mo chirodo kwen ko gorga jen wo bar dial ti ba kan ach no jen gorga jen wo ban kalin kwasme gwai en wala e chanka wel kel ka pairo ron kin dangro jen dangro de dich en changa me jen changa dan de ne dial te cha kwanti ankir me yadi de kalas let dundo sha ken kir me yadi kan ne to kan kalas let ko te ka rol ti dit long te le rodi an tamre wi ka so Sudan ka ta dana chana cha ko ke je kene dialen che wo chala do tele kwarn tente nyam ke tente pinde tele ka ngaiden ci ke espele mayo tele ka ngaiden la first by president Dr. Yoma Chaten Ramadan kule la Ramadan gemken ke cheten gwada mo ka decision dana chala ko wo kana nyok kwar ko kenbo atiten gwada mo ba tele ka ngai kuma dan le rode duno ci kirma yadi teori ala kano bene diala ti ba ko ka do ba dan che gui ke je ka chare ene me tamme che ral mu dite no ngolong re we ka so Sudan ke liu ko chagu jen wojen le da karwade namo che kir jako chenna che ko bula ledan walle ene mu dong che ko te ka do mi che gui jen wo ba ka chal lo bu ka latin kan ko to teram ja chagla neje newly appointed official not sworn in raised concern over possible internal dispute. Waken ne konde cha kwanya wacha gorno dong baga shal ko te grid go ken o de talk within re kumaka. Today, February 11, 2025, none of the newly appointed officials, including two vice presidents, were sworn in today by President Kiir, leaving people wondering, asking a lot of questions. What could be the reason? The newly appointed officials were expected to assume their office today, but the ceremony did not take place, raising serious concern of possible revocation of appointment or internal dispute within the ruling party, particularly regarding recent development within the SPLM-IO. One me mchana lelet ke je shumane kan kwadang rodo pai kwany ala bul men kan shikro den pai kwany ala vice president waken kan gan la let wala jende la let ko shang welkel ka pai ron tin dang ro jendang ro di at gwe je no dong te gri to kon temme rei kum kare je mi kama SPLM-IO kan kum ro ke kirma yadit gente kere shugu je no dong the political tension comes after the president's controversial decision to sack several senior members of the SPLM-IO, including the Minister of Health and the Governor of Western Equatoria State, without their prior knowledge. Without their knowledge, this dismissal have sparked outrage with accusation that the president overstepped his authority. Gwadme choram dida wache jenungolong kama SPLM-IO kana jen kirm yadit ko che ne di che de woch ko ne di che woch ramkel governor ka yambio karara di ne minister of health and ka minister of health ka ne ka ji SPLM-IO ka nang raw ka ji SPLM-IO na mo chagu je no te ka ringu to kan tama ka kuje mo cha ne di ala kona sha kwan kan ka la let. According to the 2018 peace agreement, presidency does not have the absolute power to dismiss members of the signatory parties, including SPLM-IO, without the approval of the party. This provision aims to maintain a balance of power and ensure that decisions impacting coalition members are made in consultation. Wak male da ne cha tan ko run kin dangre wol ba dakte me cha tan cha la do ne na se kuor din jan la kir me yadi chete ka lwang liu ko be party ki bondanen ku kan malata kel e bene ka baka wuj chigani ko na che wuj ke jes fele mayo che tegalwan ko dara ko ku kuje mo chaje condemn ke che chong kanet ka dobran chalat ke je tes fele mayo te ga chong ko de kan minan chalat ke mi yadit de kan lok ko chane ken chaga de wuj ka jeno kan kwarine dit doctor ma chaten kana kon lare ki kan koraj. Last night, a Mayo official issued a strong statement rejecting president actions. Honorable Pogwood, the acting press secretary in office of the first vice president, condemned the dismissal as a blatant violation of the 2018 agreements. The unilateral dismissal of our official without uh, our consent or prior knowledge undermines the principles of the peace agreement and threatens the fragile political stability we have worked so hard to achieve, and say Honorable Booth in the statement. Nere continue pin dagrima chaten that kana gwan which kan mana chalat kir ma yadi chinere jack ko kir ma yadi kana bin ke statement kon la gorke ko da ka rach kana dagrima chaten yangura kana kuma kana gar. The delay in the swearing in of the new official, coupled with the heated political dispute, has raised concern about the future of the coalition government and the integrity of the peace agreement. Observers are now closely monitoring development as this rift between the president and the SPLMIO could have far-reaching implications for the stability of the country governance. As of now, it remains unclear when the swearing-in ceremony will take place or whether the president will reconsider the decision regarding the dismissals of these two members from SPLMIO. Melat ka gwata me do bran cikir me yadi ke decision je kan gaje no bane de ti baga woj tele kuora na la kuora SPLMIO tele jangitin kana machala do she chong kana gor karon kin dang re ba dak ngote cha yat pin gwade dan ke kuje mo kir me yadi chene ti che bula let men mi sha do ban tok tok cha je kon je ke bi kir me yadi bane dia la kon je kwan baga nyok mi jo je kanyok ka do bran chalat ke je biat kamal